Okay, the problem of the week for October 26th, 2014. Title is Halloween Candy, and that's appropriate as Halloween, I think, is Friday night this week. Uh, let's see what the offering is. In Math is Really Cool City. See, that's like Gotham City. It's Math is Really Cool City. There are 16 streets, period. So we stop at punctuation, right? You stop at punctuation when you're reading a math or a science word problem. And is there something you should do with that information? Well, perhaps. Maybe you'd want to draw some kind of a diagram, right? And so there's street number one, and there's street number two, and street number three, and then that just keeps going, right? Until we get to street 14, and right, and then street 15, and then we get to street 16. So you might do that, right? If you're a picture person, if you're a picture thinker, if you know that you learn by drawing pictures, then do that. Draw pictures. Second sentence here. There are n houses on the nth street. Now, sometimes you read something once. You might have to read it again to get real good understanding of what's being talked about there. There are n houses on the nth street. So you see the match right there, right? N houses on the nth street. So this is our street number. This is my street number. This is a physical representation of the street. So on First Street, how many houses are there going to be? On Second Street, how many houses are there going to be? What should you do with that piece of information? Okay. If every house gives out one piece of candy, all right, see the comma? All right, you stop at the punctuation. When you're reading a math, a science word problem, stop at punctuation. It slows you down. It helps you think about and digest what information you need to use. So every house gives you one piece of candy. Okay. How many pieces of candy can you collect on Halloween if you stop at every house on all 16? Well, I guess it should be all 16 streets. All 16 streets. So that's the problem of the week for October 26, 2014. Uh, get your entries into us, and hopefully they'll, from the list of entries, you'll be picked and you'll be a winner. Thanks for joining in.